Hadoop is the #1 big data technology in the market, and it will remain #1 for a very long time. By 2020, researchers have estimated that the Hadoop market will be a staggering $50 billion. According to Glassdoor.com, the average salary of a Hadoop developer in India is 4.7 lakhs per annum, and in the USA it is $83,000. Welcome to this course on Big Data Hadoop certification. This training consists of 3 months of rigorous training on Hadoop and Spark concepts, 120 hours of industry-oriented project work and exercises, lifelong technical support for Big Data Hadoop course. And at the end of this course, you will be provided with a capstone project, which is a combination of all the concepts you have learned in this course. We at Intellipaat aim to be the most customer-centric company in the world. And for this, if you commit to us that you want to learn for the Big Data Hadoop certification, we ensure you that you will learn it and also become one of the best big data specialists in the industry. And for backing this commitment, we provide you the following features. Live instructor-led training so that you can clear your doubts on the go. 24/7 technical support so that if you have a doubt in the middle of the night or if you are from a different time zone, you can clear your doubts then and there. Lifetime access. We provide you lifetime access for the live training and for the technical support for the course. Industry-oriented project work and assignments. All our project works are designed by real project managers working in the top MNCs currently in the big data domain. Mock interviews. We provide you mock interviews which are taken by real-time hiring managers currently working on the industry. Job assistance. We provide anyone placement assistants who have taken up the course and successfully completed it. Now let us talk about how this course has been created. We went through hundreds of job descriptions and also discussed with various big data specialists to gather all the skills required for an employer to hire you. We have put together all the necessary skills in this course to create you into a complete big data and Hadoop specialist. Now let us see how this course has been structured. This course is divided into multiple modules which have side-by-side hands-on to teach you both practically and theoretically at the same time. You will master MapReduce, Flume, Pig and Spark streaming and also machine learning with Spark in this big data course. And at the end of this course, you will be provided with a capstone project which is an industry-based use case which is also a combination of all the concepts you have learned in this course. We ensure you that you will have all the skills of a complete Hadoop professional, and also you will have an equivalent of 6 months of industry experience as an Hadoop developer. Have a good day, and I'll see you in the course.